Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to test GMDSS daily test. So first I will explain this pressure daily test. This pressure model sailor set trajectory pressure. So first test to move and then set it. This niche and this is set from move to down. Here the DSE set that off. Press enter. And then just take not need to clockwise direction. Right? Okay. Now DSE 1 DSE logbook test pad. Okay. And then another thing is position interval test from position 1 to position number 2. So that's I need to call and then DSE call had this press enter and run clockwise direction safety test and then press this MSI number 31400 1038 31400 1038 and then send. Now test call from 31400 1038 safety receipt. Okay, and then quit. So that's time we need to check receipt message more set up and then niche just press button niche just from back niche there the receipt distracted and receipt call. So that's I need to press enter. Test call from today July 1st day 2025. Just UTC 90915 call safety from 31400 1038 to 31400 1038. So this for GMDSS daily test which position completed. So now we will test to the MISS daily test. My best MISS model NASA and Asia 1500 MISS radio. So that needs to test the menu. MISS daily test, go to the menu and then user test. They have print daily and back, so we need to GMDSS daily test, so need to daily and then test. Confirm yes. Now everything is okay. Control unit okay, and then transceiver everything okay. So that's need to print. So now I'm actually print out already print out, and then need to remove. So now we fade to the GMDSS radio communication logbook. Just yesterday, today, this point number 25-02, just map July 2025 from Kofakan to Sharjah. Weather, blue sky, and just UTC plus 4 o'clock 4 hour. Just yesterday 112 today page number 112, and then right here 001 July 2025 GMDSS Daily Earth position 25 degree 34.9 north 054 degree 57.0 east. This now my vessel already anchored at the Sharjah Obia, and then from here side this take time UTC 0800 UTC station 31400 1038. This our MSI under 231 400 1038 from 31 400 1038. Frequency channel 770 under particular communication remark Asia daily test to go interval under R 0805 to what MOOC 2182 MSHF DSC sub and then R 0810 GMDSS battery on off lockdown and then from here depart to the vessel MSC position DSC 1 position DSC 2 Amateur DSC sub number 1 sub number 2. Normally from daily test position DSC 1 position DSC 2 and Amateur other weekly and monthly weekly MSC position DSC Amateur monthly EPAC MSC every day monthly EPAC position DSC 1 2 Amateur MSC sub 1 2 and then now 2 position 1 2 3 test perform monthly, but normally weekly test position DSC 1 position DSC 2 Amateur just weekly, just 3 item weekly. But this GMDSS logbook free or also need to test is also everything is normal working from here, okay, normal working here and then need to test and then now also okay position 1 position number 2 here battery 424 charging current 0.8. That's for GMDSS logbook daily log. So next I will show you this battery, GMDSS battery. There the GMDSS battery straight. Now GMDSS battery straight is normal working, and then GMDSS on off from here. GMDSS battery charger flip on off switch. Flip on off switch. GMDSS on off switch look from current from this box inside. So I did not need to open. So only from now normal working connection. And then other thing, this for GMDSS our paper GMDSS daily, weekly, monthly test record from GMDSS Daily Test Anchorage DSE need to be and GMDSS this for daily test, GMDSS weekly and monthly test this for weekly test, and then other monthly test, other departure test. So need to separate, and then from here our Anchorage daily test this paper put here. So now this here GMDSS daily test, everything okay, and then from here daily test delete 20. Now all complete. So GMDSS daily test very easy to work. First going to GMDSS daily test, going to from Croatia daily test, and then interval test, and then it's completed going to Anchorage. This Anchorage daily test, and then need to from print out, and then after just remove and put it keep for inspector where we on board. They want to know everything, so we will approve him. And then from daily test, weekly test, monthly test, departure test need to separate, and then this record put other GMDSS radio communication logbook. GMDSS radio communication logbook need to fill, and then I will also everything need to fill, and then separate. They have the weekly test also need to separate. From here, just for monthly test, and then need to fill just every page. Need to fill every page from here. So just point number, month, from to weather condition, UTC time, UTC and time zone or different time, and then from here date time, period clock no position, and then Anchorage daily test and test to go interval. This Anchorage here is set the GMDSS battery on overloaded, and then need to test everything is normal working condition, or this 24 volt and charging current. This was second or master signature, and then after next video I will explain GMDSS weekly test, GMDSS monthly test, and then departure test I will explain next video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share. See you next video.